Hey guys, how's it going? Just in the airport in Cebu, waiting on my flight to Manila. It was delayed by 3 hours. It was supposed to be at 10, now it's changed until 1:05. It's currently 10:36, so I'm just in Starbucks. Just had a huge black coffee, and then she's come along with this tiny little frappuccino, and I'm gonna have that. And then I've also got an espresso roast to drink as well, so a lot of coffee, a lot of caffeine. The flight's only an hour, so I'll get some video editing done, and then I'll be in Manila, and one more night in Manila, and then I fly back to Sydney tomorrow. I'm just gonna carry on with this, wait until my flight is ready to board. I've already checked in and got my boarding pass, just waiting on the gate opening. It's at midnight, and we're in Cebu City. I've just had so much coffee, so much caffeine, and I feel supercharged, so I'm just walking around the airport.
Your name's for serving.
It's James. So we're going to try some pig's face. Lechon sigsig. What part of the face is it?
Sorry?
What part of the face? All of it? The whole, it's one face?
Yeah.
Am I eating one face?
Yeah, yes sir.
Okay, so it's one face, one whole face. That's pretty good for 190. You get a full face. Okay. I'm excited.
240.
240, okay. Some more pig's face. She says it more elegantly than me. I asked her, is that pig's face? And she said it was pig mask. So pig mask sounds a lot more elegant than is that a pig's face. She sold it very well. Looks great. It's got lots of chili, onion, some ginger, it looks like on the side there. Bon appetit. It's 1 a.m. We're finally boarding. But we've had a gate change. So we're going to gate 25.
The areas of flight E2770 to Manila, Walmart personally in the person version.
Touchdown Manila for the final time. I will be back though. I will be back. Oh, I love the Philippines. To Catherine's house. She's welcomed me back. So I'll grab a taxi. I think the yellow ones are a bit more expensive. 2 a.m. Just want to get to bed. Here we go. Ticket, no problem. Hey guys, so just arrived at Catherine's and it's looking good. The street's all lit up, very nice. I feel so bad for Catherine. I've arrived in Manila 3 times now, and every time I've arrived been at an ungodly hour. Either it's like 3 o'clock in the morning, 2 o'clock in the morning. So I do apologise, Catherine, for coming to Manila on several occasions at stupid hours, but I'm here now. I hope you're awake because I'm sunburnt and I need to sleep. Catherine is awake. Hello? Oh, hello. You're awake. I know, so I'm so sorry. She's awake, she's alive. Alright, back in Manila. 3rd time that I've arrived in Manila, and Catherine has been so kind to let me come at 3 in the morning and wake her up. Got a few hours left in Manila. Here's our Uber. Hey Kuya. And we'll have an hour there, ourselves an hour to get back. So we'll have 3 hours, 2 hours traveling, 1 hour eating, and then more traveling for me to go to the airport. Here we are, back in the streets of Manila. Still driving, an hour and a half later. These are the joys of the Manila streets. Lots of traffic. But we're nearly there. You go into a coffee shop and you get called Sir James. That's how it should be everywhere you go. So sweet. Sir James. Hey guys, just arrived in the airport in Manila, and unfortunately the trip has come to an end. I've just spent 3 hours in a taxi driving from Makati, Sampaloc back to the airport, and I'm absolutely exhausted, but luckily my flight isn't too far away. I got here just in time. 3 hours later and then I've arrived. Flight's taken off 10 minutes past midnight, so that's the end of the Philippines series. 2 weeks in the Philippines. I'm not sure how many videos I'll have out by the end of it. I've done 4 and I'll probably get another 4 or 5 videos. Thank you very much for tuning in, subscribing and watching. I hope you enjoyed the Philippines Philippines series. I'm back to Sydney now for 2 weeks, then I'm off to Tokyo. I'll be starting the Tokyo series. I'll be taking everything that I learned from the Philippines, vlogging, video editing, cinematic video creation, and I'll be applying it to the Japan series. Please. Thank you so much for subscribing and watching. The very first vlog, travel video creation that I've ever done. I'm just gonna use this as a learning experience, take everything that I've learned from this trip and apply it to Japan. And going forward, it'll just get better and better. I'll keep posting video, keep vlogging. Yeah, it should be good. So I'm just arriving at the gate here. So I'm just gonna get my bags down. Boarding's in 20 minutes to Sydney. So see you soon.